Hey guys, Dave here. Today we're making up these ever so easy, simple, but nevertheless delicious meat lovers pizza cups. As with our previous video on homemade salsa, these are great for game nights, parties, social gatherings, or whatever you got going on, so let's make some up. So let's get started here by adding a very thin piece of ham to a muffin tray, and you can pick this up in just about any grocery store or local deli. Followed by a couple of good pinches of sausage that I've chopped and fried up. Now this is hot Italian, but you can use the sausage of your choice. About a tablespoon of pizza sauce. Now this is store-bought, but if you can, by all means, make it from scratch. Again, try and get a good pizza sauce. Grate up some mozzarella and throw that in. Let's face it, pizza of any form would not be pizza without mozzarella. 2 or 3 slices of pepperoni. Now here's the thing, I know when I get good pepperoni because I can certainly taste it on the pizza. So get a good pepperoni if you can. A few bits of bacon that I've chopped and fried up. Now in a pinch, metaphorically speaking, you could also use bacon bits. Another pinch of Italian seasoning. I just love this stuff, and when I say a pinch, I kind of mean like a 1/4 teaspoon. You know, depending on how big your pinchers are. And just look at this, my friends. If this isn't meat lovers, I don't know what is. Okay, now these are going into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. After about 10 or 12 minutes, I think these guys are done, and aren't they cute little devils? And I bet you right now your party or game guests are saying, come on, where's the food? Okay, now let's pull one of these guys out from the muffin tray and do a close examination. And to me, they look pretty good, guys. They've held their shape, and oh my goodness, they look good, even edible. I think those guests are going to love them. Of course, you've got to plate these up and get them ready for serving. And you know, when you bite into these, being as simple as they are absolutely amazing. That sausage, that bacon, that pepperoni, along with the sauce and the ham. Oh, they're incredible. You know, those people who have been ever so patiently waiting are just going to go crazy. You gotta make these up. As I always say, if you're hungry for more, subscribe.